Who's coming on Wednesday? Yeah, who's coming? Oh, I am presenting. Ah, ha, ha. That's what I was thinking. Who's coming on Wednesday? Let's take a look. Oh, yeah. Whoa, Wednesday. Dot, 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 dot. Aaron, you're coming on Wednesday. Brett, Maya, Linda, Connor. That's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Aaron. Oh, yeah. Aaron, Maya, Linda. Did I say you, Linda? I can't remember. Kana. And is that it? Yes. Yeah. Wednesday. We're going to do it. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, did I? What? Yeah. Yeah. Wednesday. Naveed, I got a question for you.
Yes, Sensei.
What day is tomorrow?
Wednesday.
Wednesday! Yeah! Whoa! Oh! I'm a wolf. Oh! Let's see if we can tell what animal I am. Okay, I'm gonna do an animal sound. You have to guess what it is. I'm gonna do an animal sound. You have to guess what it is. All right, Nathaniel, what is that?
Is that a chicken?
No! Mara, give it to me. What animal is that?
I'm not sure.
Ah! Come on, this is important. Carlos, tell me, what animal is that?
A rooster.
Yes! Nathaniel, do you know the difference between a chicken and a rooster?
Yeah.
Most chickens identify as female, I believe. I think. I never asked them, though, what they identify as. Next animal I'm going to do. You have to guess what it is. Meh, meh, meh. All right. Connor, give it to me. What animal is that?
Sheep.
Yes. Nice. Oh, my gosh. Okay. Moo. Moo. Melissa, what animal is that?
A cow.
Yes. Okay, here we go. What animal is this? Okay, Abraham, what animal is that?
I'm not sure. It sounds like it's spring. It sounds like it's spring.
A spring? No, that's not an animal. I'll do it again. Brett, what animal is that?
Rabid dog.
Yes. Yes. Brett is right. It's a rabid dog eating Alpo canned dog food. You know that Alpo dog food? You don't feed their dog. It's delicious. Oh my gosh. I mean, it's not delicious for people, but dogs love it. Okay, one more animal. Ready? Here we go. Okay, Samantha, what animal is that?
A monkey?
Yes, very good. Thank you, Samantha. That is a monkey. It's actually a spider monkey, right? Going from tree to tree. That's what they say. The spider monkeys, right? Anyone do sports? Right? Anyone do sports? Like Alonzo, do you do sports?
Yeah, I play baseball.
Nice. Do you ever go in spider monkey mode? Like you can do anything. Spider monkey when you play baseball. Base to base, you hit the ball, and then you just run to base. right? It freaking you just run like ah, God, right? You know, you
The
go
one-
like that. You ever do that?
The one that
Alonzo?
does that is Naveed. Naveed does that
Naveed?
on baseball.
Oh, I'm telling you, Naveed. Does it work, Naveed?
Nah, no, that is not me. That's Alonzo. He's lying. He's flexing in baseball practice. He was trying to flex on me. Yeah, no muscles though.
Well, I don't know what that means. Flexing. Yeah. Okay, let's get to work. We're going to talk about. I'm sorry, that's enough. That is enough. I am going to stop. Terrible. I got to go to the dentist today. I'll let you know if I have cavities. Should I just open my mouth? Anyone? Does anyone have experience with teeth? Should I just open my mouth in front of the camera? Carlos, do you know about teeth? Can I just open my mouth like in front of the camera like this? I don't know. Would you be able to tell me something so I can just skip the dentist?
No, I can't. Sorry.
I wonder who looks like Billy. You look like a dentist, Billy. Billy, would you be able to? Do you know about? I just open my mouth right there in the camera. Shine a light. Can you tell me if I have cavities, Billy?
Yeah, you should do it. I'll be able to
Okay,
tell.
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Look away if you. Everyone else look away because you're not professionals. Only Billy is a professional. Okay, everyone else look away because I don't want you to say stuff about my teeth. You know what I mean? Actually, no. I feel it. I think if I did do that, I think I'd be crossing the line. I probably wouldn't be working anymore. If I put my mouth and let you look at my teeth, it's probably inappropriate, right? Miley, would that be inappropriate?
Wait, what?
What? No, never
What?
mind. Forget it. It's okay. Don't worry about it. Okay. I wasn't talking anything important. You didn't miss out on it. Miley, you didn't miss out on anything. Okay. I am presenting. Today we are going to talk about. Wait, where's my camera? Where's my camera? Where's my camera? Camera time. Visualizer connecting. Visualizer connect. Visualizer launch. Get rid of sunshine. Sunshine ignition. Go. Okay, we are going to talk about graphing properties of hyperbolas. Okay, graphing properties of hyperbolas. Oh, there you go. So that's right. Write that as a topic. Okay, what now before we talk about hyperbolas, you don't need to write this down, but let's look at I did this from yesterday, so I don't have to write it twice, but you don't have to write this down. But this is the equation for an ellipse. You guys see that? You can write it down again if you'd like, but that's the equation for an ellipse, right? You got that? Now, here is the equation of a hyperbola. See if you can tell the difference, what's the same, and they're pretty very similar. They're just one little difference. There's the equation of a hyperbola. Oh, let me get my little arrow out of the way. Let's make this big. Think. There you go. Okay, so you notice the difference between the equation of a hyperbola and an ellipse is hyperbola is a subtraction, right? They're both equal to 1. Now, look at, there's 2 equations we can use for hyperbolas, by the way. Here's the other equation. Okay, you guys see that? Now write both of those down. They're almost exactly the same, except this one, the way I'm going to say is the x is positive and the y is negative. This one, the y is positive and the x is negative. Okay, they're both equal to 1. So go ahead and write those down. I'll be right back. I have to blow my nose. Okay. Now, here's the difference. If the x is positive, okay, so here's what a hyperbola looks like. It looks like this, okay? Now, here's my other hyperbola. A hyperbola can either go left and right. It's like two, they're like a parabola. But this, I mean, if you will, we know what a parabola is, but it's like two sideways parabolas. This is left and right hyperbola. If the x is positive, it's going to go left and right. So make sure you draw that. And then if the y is positive, it's going to go up and down. Those are our hyperbolas. Now, here are some parts of the hyperbola we must know. First of all, the center is going to be h and k. Now, center is kind of weird because the center of this is going to be right here. The center of this is going to be right here. Okay? It's the center. You'll see what that means in just a bit. The a and b, not the a squared and b squared, but just the a and b, is going to make a box. It's going to make a nice little box. And the h and k will be the center of that box. Now, I know what you're saying. Sensei, there's no box here. Well, just hang on a second. Let's wait till we start graphing it. These are the vertices of the hyperbola, vertices. And these are the foci. Foci. It's just a dot that's just kind of out a little bit. It kind of forms around the foci, just like forms it. And this is the foci too. All right, are there any questions on this? Because I'm going to get rid of it in about 30 seconds, unless someone needs more time. Make sure you write all of this down. It's going to make a life a heck of a lot easier. Heck of a lot easier. Heck of a lot easier. Bump, 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 rip, 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 bump, 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 bump. Okay, in 10 seconds, I'm going to get rid of this. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Okay. So let's go ahead and look at our assignment problems. Bump, 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 bump. You guys, graphing hyperbolas, we're only going to do the odd. And I need to change. I don't know if I say that in my assignment here. Do I say 1 through 13 odd problems? Yeah, we're just doing the odd. So we're just doing the odd. So let's just do the odd. And number 1, identify the vertices. Okay, we know what the vertices, the foci, and the direction of opening. Okay, we can do the direction of opening real quick on this one, but I'm going to start. The best way to do this is to graph it. So let's graph it. Number 1, x squared over 81 minus y squared over 4 equals 1. Okay, I'll just make the 1 real pretty there. Okay, the direction of opening. You guys tell me, look at number 1. You guys see 1 there? Whoop. What direction? Is that up and down or left and right? Let's go with Aaron. Is that going to go up and down or left and right? Aaron, tell me.
It's gonna go left and right.
That is 100% correct because the x is positive. So you can say left and right right there. That'll be our first question. We'll say left and right. Now let's graph it. Okay, we haven't shown you how to graph it, so we're going to go ahead and graph this sucker. Sucker! I'm going to graph you, sucker. Sucker! I'm going to graph you, sucker. Sucker! I'm gonna graph you, sucker. Sucker! I'm gonna graph you, sucker. One, two, three, four. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So what is the center of my parabola? What is my center? Okay. And let's try to get this over here. Let's move this over here so we get a better light. Center of my parabola. Center of my parabola. Abraham, what's the center of my parabola?
That would be H and K, right?
That is 100% correctamundo.
So that would
What
be
is-
0, 0.
That is right. So we got the center of 0, 0. My center is 0, 0, which is right here. Let's label that there. Boom. There's my center. Okay. Now, the A in the hyperbola, the A always goes under X and the B always goes under Y. So this is A, this is B. So what's my A going to equal? And what's my B going to equal? All right. Okay. What's my A going to equal? What's my B going to equal? Let's go with Brett. What's my A and B going to be?
9 and 2.
Very good. Take the square root of 81, we get 9. Square root of 4, we get 2. So now this is what's going to happen. So the A goes under the X, so that means left and right. So here let's go 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's put a little hash mark there. And let's go on the left 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, and then the Y is 2. We go up 2. We go down 2. And what we're going to do is we're going to form a box. Remember we talked about the box? So you're going to form a box around those points. There's my box. Okay, so we got the box. Now, why are you making the box? Well, I'll tell you why we're making the box. Because we are going to make some asymptotes. We're going to make some asymptotes. My last class didn't know what an asymptote was. Asymptote. 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 My last class did not know what that was. I asked everyone. Let's see. I'm going to go with you guys. I'm just going to ask to see if, let me give my camera a second here to twitch it. Raise your hand if you know what an asymptote is. I know what it is. Raise your hand. Put your hand in front of the camera. I know what it is. I'm not going to call on you. I'm just curious. I don't see any hands. Raise your hand if you've heard of an asymptote, but you don't know what it is, but you've at least heard the word asymptote. Okay. So here's what an asymptote is. I only saw a couple of hands that said they heard of it. So, I'm not sharing now. I gotta share. Let me share. Present now. Entire screen. Click. Share. Spin. Flock. Flock. Boom. Can you guys see? Okay. I'm assuming you could see. Okay, you see this corner right here. The center and this corner, you are going to make an asymptote, which is going to be a line that goes straight through all of those points. Dink, 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 dink. And then this way. Dink, 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 dink. Through the corners in the center. Dink, 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 dink. Look at that. It's like a battle star. Flink, 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 flink. Tron. Looks like something from the movie Tron, which you guys have never seen before. Okay, so now let's graph our parabola. Okay, so here's how you graph, not the parabola, the hyperbola, sorry. Here's how we graph the hyperbola. Now, we know it's going to go left and right because the x is positive. So you take at the end of the box, and you're going to do a point right there in the middle. Okay? Now, an asymptote is kind of like a border that your graph comes to. It gets very close to, but it cannot touch it. So you're going to draw your hyperbola as close to the asymptote as possible, and then that's it. And your asymptote kind of guides you in your hyperbola and what it's going to look like. And the same thing here, get the center. And there's your asymptote. There's your hyperbolas. But wait, we have to figure out the vertices. Well, I see the vertice is here, so let's figure out the point of the vertices. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So my vertices, just the coordinates, is -9, 0. And this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 this way is +9, 0. There's your vertices. Now the foci. Foci. Okay, here's how you found the foci. The foci is this. Write this down. Is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Where my a squared is 81. My b squared is 4. There's my foci. But not quite. The foci is, remember, it's right here. So, can't find my orange pen. Oh, my foci is going to be somewhere around here. So let's draw a point. And then from here to here is the square root of 85. So what is that point right there? That point is the square root of 85 comma 0, right? Because that's where it is. Whatever that length is, it's square root of 85 comma 0. And then this point right here, this foci, is also the square root of 85 is the distance, but the location is negative square root of 85 comma 0. And that's all you got to do. I don't know where my orange pen is. Ah, there it is. I found it. And a green one. Oh, and here's a purple one. Oh, my purple pen. Are there any questions? Ah! Yeah! Fa! 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 No questions? All right, I'm assuming. Actually, let's see. I'll get rid of this in 10 seconds unless someone needs it, any part of it. I'm gonna get rid of it in 10 seconds. Speak up if you still need it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. All right. Let's do. Okay. I'm not gonna do 3. But look, this one's going to open up and down. Okay. I'm going to do 5 because we have a center here. So I'm going to do number 5. Because it's not, the center's not the center's not in the origin. So this one's a little bit more challenging. So number 5 is x plus 2 squared all over 169 minus y plus 8 squared all over 4 equals 1. Okay. All right. Is this opening up and down or left and right? Is it opening up and down or left and right? Let's go with, man, the wind's picking up. All right. Brianna, is it opening up and down or left and right?
Up and down.
How did you get that? Tell me your reasoning.
Because the center is negative. I'm not really sure.
So is a guess? Notice the x is positive, right?
Mm-hmm.
Positive x means left and right. Positive y means up and down. The y is negative. X is positive, left and right. No, yes?
Oh, yeah.
All right, cool. So what's my center? What is my center? Dennis White, what's my center?
-2, -8.
There you go. Okay, so let's go ahead and draw this. La da da la da 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 da. La da 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 la da 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 da. La da 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 Okay, -2, -8. So I go, let's go 1, 2. Let's go 1, 2, -8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right there. There's my center. Okay. Square root of 169 is 13. So I'm going to go left 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Going to go right 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Going to go square root of 4 is 2. So go up 2. I go down 2. And let's create our box. Am I going too fast? Stop me if I'm going too fast. What do I need to draw next? Emma, what do I draw next?
The asymptote.
Yeah, let's draw those asymptotes. So I am going to draw them. I should have done all that in purple, but I am going to draw them. Goes through the center and the 2 corners. So I don't know if you guys, can I fit this thing on? Let's try to get the whole thing in. I got a corner, I got a corner, I got a center. And I'm just going to draw. Whoops. Think, 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 flink, 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 flink. Then I'm going to go this way. Flink, 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 flink. Oh no, did I miss it? Oh, I was a little off. It's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Then we know it goes left and right. So I don't know. I guess I'll do it in orange, even though this is blue. I'm gonna do it in orange. Can you guys see? Okay, so the center, you want to hit the center, like lined up with the center, and you just go. Okay, the vertices. Vertices. So look, you got to go from here. I got to go one, like find the vertices. What's the coordinates of the vertices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And then down, so it's negative 15, down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Negative 8. Or what you could do is get the center, and you know the vertice is going to be, I don't know. I mean, you can kind of calculate by adding 2 and then subtracting this. I think it's just easier to draw it. And then the vertice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 11, negative 8 is the other vertice. Now we have to figure out the foci, which is right here. Foci is somewhere right here. Flink. Somewhere right here. Just so you can visually see. Flink. Right? Now the foci is a squared plus b squared equals c squared, or 169 plus 4 equals c squared, or 173 equals c squared, or the square root of 173. Now that's not my answer. Okay, so my foci is going to be from here to here, and that is the square root of 173. That's my foci. Okay, that's the distance, but that's not the coordinate. Now, I know that my coordinate is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I go down negative 8. So my foci for this one is going to be something negative 8. But what is this from here to here, right? Well, this distance from here to here is the square root of 173 plus 1, 2. So it's the square root of 173 plus 2. Let me write it like this again. My foci is square root of 170. Oh, sorry. Foci is square root of 173 plus 2, comma, negative 8. Sorry, I'm writing. That's one foci. And the other foci, so this from here to here is also the square root of 173, right? But this is 173 except for this here, so that is the square root of 173. Take from here to here is the square root of 173. Take away those two, minus 2, comma, down negative 8. Because down here is negative 8. Same distance. So square root of 173 minus 2, comma, negative 8. That's a negative 8. And that's it. That's as hard as it gets. Are there any questions? I'm gonna get rid of this in 10 seconds, unless someone needs it. Those look like the same color. All right, that's pretty much it. You guys, you don't have to do, don't do, like the rest is the same. You just got to sketch the graphs. Sketch the graphs and then identify the vertices. That's all you have to do for 7, 9, and 11. And 13. You don't have to do 15. Don't do 15. Was that a sign? I'm changing it. Yeah, you don't have to do 15. Okay, so it's the same. All right. And there's the answers below it. But anyway, just 1 through 13. Are there any questions? Okay, those of you who are going to be there tomorrow, I'll be looking forward to seeing you in the classroom. And if not, I'll see you in the video. If you have no questions, you may go. See you later. Goodbye. Who's the first one to go? I can't even see. Bye, Thomas. Bye, Ethan. Bye, Miley. Bye, Emma. Bye, Julissa. Bye, Navid. Bye, Billy. Bye, Linda. Bye, Samantha. Bye, Montserrat. All right. What's up, Nathaniel? What's up, Nathaniel? You're muted.
Hello?
Hey, there you are.
Okay. Can you take AP Calculus if you didn't take pre-calc honors?
Could you? I think you could take whatever you want, you know, as long as your parents verify it, from what I understand. So like someone in Math 1 could take AB Calculus, but I don't recommend it. You need that pre-calculus is big. It helps out a lot. Why are you thinking that?
I was planning on taking 3 AP classes next year, and I was thinking of taking AP Calc instead of taking pre-calc.
Yeah, I don't recommend it, but I don't know. I mean, I don't recommend it at all. So the pre-calc, that helps a lot. So does this class seem easy for you?
For the most part, yeah. There are some things I need help on, but yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I just pre-calc honors is a pretty darn hard class. And then why would you want to take calc AB and then take BC the second your senior year? Is that what you're thinking? Yeah. I don't know. You'd have to ask. I don't recommend it. I don't think it's a good idea, but I mean, is it doable? Absolutely. You know what I mean? You can absolutely do it, but I don't recommend it. If you decide to do it on your own, you know, go for it. Just hang in there, you know. I don't know what would be better, take pre-calc and then calc BC. So you're doing AB and then BC. That's an interesting question. I can ask around, see what people think, but I don't recommend it. But I've never taught those classes either, so I could just say what you know what I mean.
Yeah.
So I don't know if I made it clear for you or not. I'm sure I didn't.
Okay, thanks.
All right. I'll ask around. See what other teachers think. All right, who's next? All right, let's go with Sam. What's up?
Oh, okay. Is our grade in Canvas the grade we have right now in your class?
I need to grade some papers. But do you want me to talk to you last and talk about your grade?
Sure.
Or do you want to talk now about it?
It doesn't
I don't
really
care.
matter.
Okay.
Because,
What's up? What's up? Is your grade too low or something? What's going on?
well, I just looked at it today, and I found I have a 67, and I was like, how did I get that? I think it's just a module 3 test I have, and it's a 0 out of 55. So I don't know if you can give me the password to take it again or something.
Wait a minute. Did you get 0 out of 55 in the module 3 test?
Yeah.
How'd that happen?
I have no idea.
Wait, did you take it?
I
You
don't
didn't
know.
take it. I don't think you took it. Anything that you didn't take, I gave you a 0 on it. So you need to take that test. So let's do that. Okay, ready?
Yes.
I'm gonna give you the code. Click on that test. Why didn't you take it? I wonder. Maybe you're absent. Who knows?
I don't know.
Okay. Mango. Type in the word mango. Let's see what happens. You do that, and then if you're good, you can go ahead and leave. But don't leave until you're in the test. All right, Abraham, what's your question?
Yeah, it was something about so you know like how you were saying how some people are going to be going to school on Wednesday?
Yeah.
And how you were gonna also be there?
Yeah. Are you gonna be there? Are you gonna be partying with me? We're gonna party.
No.
Math party.
I have it on Thursday, but I also don't wait, it's not mandatory, is it?
No, it's not mandatory.
Oh, okay.
It's optional.
How is it gonna work for us since you're gonna be at school and we're gonna be at home? Is it gonna be asynchronous for us or?
No. You the same thing. You're just do the same exact thing. How am I gonna do it in my classroom? Here's my goal. I'm gonna be going through a lot of trials and errors, but I'm gonna be trying to present on my whiteboard to the people in the class, and I'll be filming myself at the same time while you guys are watching.
Oh, okay. Because I wasn't sure.
Yeah. So
All right.
yes. So log on. Make sure you log on tomorrow.
All right. That was the only question. And it's the same time, right? Same time as ours?
Yep.
Okay. Well, that was the only question I had. Well, have a good day.
All right, you too. Okay, Aaron, what's up?
Does it say that I'm going back to school to in person?
I don't know. I think you just show up. Like, are you asking if tomorrow's your day or is it?
No, I'm not going to in person. Because when you read the list, it says that I'm on.
No, it's just if you go in, what it is your day. If you decide to go in, your assigned day is Wednesday.
Oh, okay.
Just show up. Just don't even worry about it. Just show up, log on, and I'll take you as attendance, and then that'll be it.
Okay. Okay.
All right. Are you sad? You wish you were in the classroom though?
No.
You're not sad? All right.
No. Okay. Bye,
All right.
Sensei.
Okay. See you later, Aaron. Take care.